Hi, this is Skylar with Metro Lexus for another tech tip of the day. Right now, I'm going to show you how to reset your maintenance reminder light for some of our newer Lexus, in which the resetting is in the instrument cluster. So let's take a look. All right, so I'm going to go on the steering wheel where I see these controls here, the arrows. What I'm going to do is use to back out of a certain screen. If something is popping up, you can do that, because this is what's popping up here. So you see that backspace arrow, I'm just gonna hit that to get out of it. And then I'm gonna use my side arrow. So you see at the top how it's going across the screen. What I'm gonna do is get to this, like the gear settings. So yours might look a little different, but you're gonna go down the list until you get to vehicle settings. And yours might look a little different, but I'm gonna go to, there's two things that you can reset: scheduled maintenance or oil maintenance. I'm going to press OK, and then I can reset data. So depending on where you are with your service, you can, reset, press up, press OK, that sort of thing. So I hope that helped in resetting your maintenance reminder light. If not, you can always call the dealership so we can walk you through it, or come into our dealership so that we can help you experience amazing.